Hi everyone, this is Motorcycle Showroom, a channel dedicated to introduce new line of motorcycle from leading manufacturers around the world. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like my video.
2024 BMW R12 First Look, 10 Fast Facts. 10 years ago, BMW celebrated its 90th anniversary with the BMW R nineT, which featured the Air oil-cooled boxer engine and was available in a broad range of iterations, from café racer to scrambler. It has proven to be a durable platform. However, it is being replaced this year with the dramatically new 2024 BMW R12. Right now, it's time to find a comfortable spot while we dig into the urban-focused 2024 BMW R12, which looks to be an alternative to a traditional cruiser. 1. BMW retuned the 1170cc powerplant in the 2024 R12 to meet Euro 5 standards and match the urban focus. It comes on 1,250 revolutions per minute at 6,500 revolutions per minute. The power will be softer, as the maximum torque output is down 5 feet lbs to 85 feet lbs at the same 6,000 revolutions per minute. 2. The motor and chassis get several electronic rider aids and choices. There are 2 power modes, rock and roll, names made familiar on the R18 Mega Cruiser. 3. A new frame with a low seat height greets the 2024 BMW R12 rider. It's a steel trellis design with a customizer-friendly bolt-on subframe. Lower capacity steel fuel tank on the R12, which holds 3.7 gallons of fuel. 4. The geometry of the new R12 caters to cruisers. The rake is kicked out to 29.3 degrees, and the trail is a roomy 5.2 inches. The wheelbase is a tad short of 5 feet, and a steering damper is standard. 5. The 2024 BMW R12 has a cruiser-like nineT 16-inch wheelset. Aluminum wheels are standard, with wire spoke wheels optional and shown in various photos. 6. Short travel suspension keeps the R12 close to the ground. Both ends have 3.5 inches of travel. The beefy 45mm inverted fork is non-adjustable, and the cantilevered shock offers adjustments for rebound damping and spring preload. 7. BMW did not scrimp on the R12's braking. That's a pair of 310mm discs in the front, along with radially mounted 4-piston Brembo calipers. The rear wheel gets a 265mm disc and a BMW-branded caliper. 8. The 2024 BMW R12 has a single-round display with an analog-style speedo. A matching tachometer is an option, as is a sleek, low-profile TFT display. 9. LED lighting is standard. The brake lights are integrated into the rear turn signals. A cornering-aware headlight is optional. 10. The optional Select package includes desirable upgrades. You get a quick shifter, cruise control, heated grip, hill start assist, and connected ride control. Well, what can you say about the new BMW R12? BMW plans the R12 to hit showroom floors in the first quarter of 2024. While there isn't an MSRP yet set for the 2024 BMW R12, you can ponder if you'll be satisfied with the standard Blackstorm metallic color, or feel compelled to upgrade to a Venturan Red Metallic or option 719 Thorium in Avis Silver Metallic.
Thanks for watching our video. Stay safe and see you again next time.